Yo, what's good, people? This is your boy Jay, and in today's video, we're going to talk about a software that I have recently just fallen in love with. It is so simple to utilize, and there's so many use applications that you can use for a software like this that it's insane. And this software is called Mailvibes. Now, what is Mailvibes? Mailvibes is an email tracking tool for Gmail. Now, what does that mean to the average user? So, a lot of times when we send emails, there may be times when we need to know if someone has opened an email at all. So, let's say if you send out a resume to a company and they gave you their email address, and you're waiting days and days and you're wondering if they ever saw the email, then if you don't know that information, then you don't know whether or not to send a secondary email, or whether they're not interested, or if it might have just went to the spam folder. So this software is really great for that. Also, I use it in times when I'm sending something that might be time sensitive. So just like recently, I had to send an email to uh, to some housing people, and there were some issues with our front yard or whatever. But we had to get that resolved. They were only corresponding through email, so I wasn't sure initially if they were even opening my emails. But with this software, I know exactly when they open the email. So once I see and get the notification that they open the email, I can give their office a call, and I'm like, "Hey, did you get my email?" "Yes, I got your email." "Okay, let's talk about the issue that's at hand." So this is a really great software for stuff like that, and it's also good for artists. So if you're sending music to an opportunity and you're not sure if they even opened up your opportunity, or I'm sorry, opened up your email, then you don't know whether or not you need to resend the email or if they even click the link. So this software has actually made me quite a bit of money in the small amount of time that I've had it, because I use it to also manage all of the people who have purchased music from me in the past, so I can communicate with them on wide scale. And it's just a really great product because it allows you to know how people are interacting with your email. Now, if we go over to the pricing for the basic setup, you get the email tracking, the link tracking, limited mass email, and then email templates and distribution list is free. But then they also have a $9.99 plan where you get unlimited mass emails, which is really cool. I have something better than this. There's actually a link in this video that's in the description where you can get this software for one payment. So that means no monthly fees. It's a lifetime offer. So if you want the software, all you have to do is just click the link. It'll take you to the website. You can purchase it there. And I believe it's right at $90. So that would, save you a lot of money. But yeah, I love this software. It's very easy to use. The tech support is phenomenal. I love the straightforwardness of this product. And I really haven't seen anybody review the product. I don't know if people want to keep it to themselves. At first, I was thinking about keeping it to myself, but I'm like, man, this software can actually benefit a lot of people because you have other softwares that do the exact same thing as this softwares like Sales Handy, and we can go there and I can show you. Let's see, go to saleshandy.com. Sales Handy does pretty much the same thing that this other software does, but look at the price. Watch this. $25 a month per user. And then they have all of these other add-ons. It used to be even more than that. That's if you pay by the year. If you pay by the month, it's about $30 a month. Oh, here's the other plans. Oh, wow. they have really come down with their plans. That's pretty cool. But again, with the other software, it is a lifetime deal. You would pay once and you wouldn't have to pay again. So let's see. I'm going to show you another option, and this is gmass.co. And Gmass is pretty cool. It's very intricate, and it's a little bit bulky in the design and the layout of everything. It's kind of, well, it's a lot harder than Mail Vibes. But if you look at the pricing, let's see, pricing is up there. So you're looking at for the enterprise is $49.99. Now, granted, like I said, it's got, these have pretty much the same features. This has address verification. Mail Vibes does not have that, but again, you have to pay $49.95 a month. And what I can tell you is that with Mail Vibes alone, just managing my small group of people, it's about 300 people that I manage on my email list. I've made roughly about $2,500 in the past month and a half. So it's definitely very much worth it to just go ahead and get this while you can, while it's on a lifetime deal. If you have any questions at all about email marketing, cold email marketing, mass email marketing, or even how to set this up for yourself, feel free to leave a comment below with your question, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. All right. Take care. Peace out. Thank you for your time.